All right, so I am heading to the BMV to number one, get plates, or a plate. I don't know if it's two or one, I don't know. But for the motorcycle, and then I am going to go with no practice, no studying. I've had a lot of people recommend to study for the bike test because it can actually get pretty tricky. I don't know. I am going to take that advice, but I didn't know that you could just walk in and take it. I thought you had to schedule your appointment like a couple days in advance, but apparently you can just walk in and take it. So I'm going to walk in and take it because if I fail, I only have to wait one day and I go to Atlanta tomorrow. So it's not like I can not try it again tomorrow anyhow. So I'm going to go try it, see if I can pass. If I do, great. If I don't, oh well, I'll try when I get back. So we're going to go to the BMV and try to get this license.
Light up for all the cameras, pose for the magazines. But can you show me the side they never see? I know you're special, but if you're feeling me, I want to talk to the girl that's underneath.
Well, good news, bad news. Good news, I got my tag for the bike, so, ooh, nice S2000. So I got the tag for the bike, which is awesome, so that can go on. Bad news is I didn't pass the test. I tried, like I said, I tried going with absolutely no practice. You had to get 30 right, and I got 22 right. It was actually kind of difficult. There were some questions that had nothing to do with bikes or cars, just that I didn't know, like some weird questions like different alcohol limits and things of the such like that. And then just a couple bike questions I missed. So it's all right. I can literally retake it tomorrow, which I technically don't leave for Atlanta until Thursday. So I will come back tomorrow and retake it. And since I know the answers and they're going to be fresh in my mind, I should be able to pass tomorrow. So either way, I'm still going to ride it today. I mean, I'm going to put the tag on and go riding and go enjoy myself, regardless if I have my license there or not. You just got to be smart.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Alright guys, so I'm at Panera right now, if you can't tell, aka my office, because this is where I spend like 95% of my time working. Trying to get caught up with some stuff here. I'm currently editing the ZCompany website. If you guys haven't checked out the ZCompany site, be sure to do that. It's simply wix.com/ZCompany. The website address will be down below in the description, as it is with every video. Currently just trying to get some stuff caught up, like I said. Obviously with heading out to Atlanta this week, kind of behind because I need to be prepared for what's going to happen once I'm in Atlanta. So currently working on this website. If you guys haven't checked out yesterday's vlog, it was at Dragway 42, and we had the autocross with the bros. That is live, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to sit here for a little bit longer and continue to work on the website, and then I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure.
Alright guys, so here we are. We're right in front of the bike here. So today I wanted to talk to you about my new bike. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about bikes in general. But, so for quite some time, I've really wanted a bike. I just had the urge to ride. And I think with vlogging, it fits perfect because I can ride and listen to music, but still vlog. And I think it'd be really cool to do. And last year, this kind of came over me, and I just never really jumped on it. But this year, in creating your own story and just doing what makes you happy, I knew this would make me happy. So I went ahead and took that leap, and I spent my money to get this bike. Now, I've got my iPad in front of me here with some stats about this bike, so I don't sound completely stupid as I tell this to you. So this is a 1999 Yamaha Virago 250cc. So In buying this bike, this was originally listed at $1,700, and I got a great deal. I got a deal for $1,400. Now, I had no idea what I was looking for. All I know is I wanted a beginner bike, and I wanted a bike that would suit my needs as of right now. So, in going through like different ads on Craigslist, Let Go, Facebook, nothing really jumped out at me until the day that I sold my car. This jumped out at me. So, what's so special about this bike is everything is brand new. So, the previous owner before me, his name was Chris. He found this in a barn. It was an old barn find, and it literally was a piece of junk. It was beat up, rusted. Everything was just a mess. He bought it for $700, completely redid the entire thing in 4 months, and here we are today. He just posted it literally like 20 minutes after I got on is when he posted it. So I saw this and I immediately contacted him. So this is a 249cc air-cooled 60-degree V-twin. I know nothing about what that means. I'm not used to bikes. I'm used to cars. Compression ratio of 10-1. Okay. The pros that I've seen on this bike, excellent starter bike. Here's my favorite part. 70 miles per gallon. 70 miles per gallon. I can't imagine that. But that's what this does. I went and filled it up earlier. It cost me $5.50. Crazy. So the only problem with the con, at least I read, was this bike is very lightweight, barely 600 pounds. So therefore, wind interference is definitely a thing. It kind of sways you around. Noticed it a little bit, but I mean, I'm a big dude. I'm 200 pounds. I really haven't had any issues with it. The nice thing about this bike, and saying the whole thing's redone, so it has a new seat and it's bigger. It's got a new ignition, new gas cap, new plugs, new tires, brakes, LED front lights. It's got brand new mirrors, brand new battery. He added on this saddlebag, and this saddlebag. None of that was original, but he added that. And I like it because it allows for extra storage. He also added an aftermarket radio. I probably won't keep that. There's really no need for me to use it. I've got my AirPods, and I just put them on under the helmet, and it works out great. Brand new windshield, and it came with a bunch of other extra stuff like oil filters, the old seat, all sorts of different stuff. So $1,700, I got it for $1,400, and like I said, it's in great shape. I'm just learning how to ride, but I mean, I'm about 50 miles in right now, and I absolutely love it. So definitely expect more to come with vlogs in the sense of riding the bike, talking about the bike. And please, for all the guys who know stuff out there about bikes, let me know, because I honestly just feel like an idiot. So here's the new bike, the new toy. This is going to be my daily in the summertime and the springtime. It's just such good on fuel. I can't pass it up. And of course, we're going to have the Eclipse. We're still going to daily drive the Eclipse. But if it's nice out, this is going to be the go-to. Yeah, so welcome the bike to the channel.
Head out on the highway, looking for adventure.